just punched a hole through a 6-point swamp donkey with a 100 grain Thunderhead. Certain I put that arrow right through the boiler room, but I'll tell you what, that deer took off faster than a fat kid chasing an ice cream truck. But I'll give that deer about a half hour, and then I'll go recover it. Okay, I just climbed down. I gave the deer about a half hour. Now I'm going to go see if I can find some blood, see if I can find my arrow, and then see if we can't recover this deer. Okay, beautiful morning. Early November, full rut, and then okay, this is where I hit the deer. Like I said, I don't think he ran. I didn't see him fall, but I don't think he ran 60, 70 yards. I'm pretty sure I got him right in the boiler room. There's some blood right here. Well, let's follow this blood trail. What I got. Oh, there's my arrow. 0. Okay, that was a pass through. So he's got to be leaking out 2 different holes. So there's more blood here. There's blood right there. Let's see, where did he go? There's blood. There's blood. There's blood down in there. Now where did he go? Oh, there he is. He's right there. There he is. Like I said, I don't think he ran that far. I thought he was a 6-point. Let's see. Oh, double lung. Double lung. You can see the bubbles in the blood. Shooting from 20 feet up. Maybe I think I got both lungs. But what we have here is 5-pointer. Okay. Well, it's supposed to get kind of warm today, about 70 degrees, so I gotta take care of this deer right away. Okay, today's November 8th, I believe, and it's got this animal at 10 a.m.